Good morning, students. Today start the third video of chapter 1, knowing our numbers. Third video of chapter 1, knowing our numbers. Large number in use. Large number in use. In our day-to-day life, we use gram to measure the weight of smaller quantity, such as spices used in kitchen, weight of biscuit pack, chips, etc. We can use the measure the weight of a car conveniently. No, we use kilogram to measure the heavier weights. A bag full of weight of a bike. Similarly, we use milligram to such an article as very small quantity, such as medicine, etc. We know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. We use milliliter to measure the capacity of medicine bottle and liter to measure the capacity of water tank at home, kiloliter to capacity of overhead water tanks. Here relation between the different the value units of the volume. 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liter. 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. Word problem of the number operations. In previous class we solved the problem of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of number. Let us solve the word problem. Sumesh bought a car 9,52,985. He spent 56,493 for some repair work. How much did he pay? Now price of car plus cost of repair work. 9,52,985 plus 56,493. So total is 10,09,478. Exercise 1.2. Exercise 1.2. Word problem. A toy factory produces 5 toys in a second. How many toys will it produce in an hour? In a second, factory produces 5 toys. In 1 hour produces 5 into 1 hour is equal to 3600 is equal to 18,000 is the answer. 18,000 is the answer. Question 3. The population of India is 1990 is like this. In 2000 population is this. In 2000 it was this. What was the increase in each of the decade? Each of the decade. Population of India in 2000 and population of India in 1990. Now subtracted here. For decade of 1990 to 2000. 12 crore 2,71,612 answer. 12 crore 2,71,612. Now population of India in 2010 and 2000. Now subtracted here. So decade of population 6 crore 29,89,327. Question number 5. A mobile tower consume 12,16,416 units of electricity in a month. The consumption of electricity was reduces 9,84,634 after installing solar plants. How much electricity did the solar plant produced? Now, consume electricity in the month, reduce electricity, now subtracted here. Now, a solar plant produce electricity 2,31,834 is the answer. Question number 8. In a garment factory, 175 centimeter denim cloth is used to make a pair of jeans. In a day, 3,245 pair of jeans are produced. Then how many denim cloth will be required in a month? 30 centimeter cloth is wasted in making of a pair of jeans. In a week, how much cloth will be wasted? In a day produces jeans 3,245. In 30 days produces jeans 30 multiplied by 3,245. So 97,345 jeans produces in a 30 days. Used clothes for a pair of jeans 175. 175 means 3,245 is 30, 97,350. Used clothes for a day of a jeans 175. Used for cloth 97,350 pair of jeans. So 97,350 multiplied by 175. So answer is 1,70,36,205 centimeter. Wasted cloth for a jeans is equal to 30 centimeter. Wasted cloth for 9,735 a pair of jeans. Multiply here 30. So 6,81,450 centimeter. Wasted clothes. Question number 10. During a flood relief donation camp, first day 3,83,645 was collected. One second day 3,15,815 was collected. How much fund has been released in 2 days? Now first day collected and second day collected. Now plus sign here, plus over here. So answer is 6,99,461. Question number 13. Convert the following: 356 meter into millimeter. 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. So 356 multiplied by 1000, 3,56,000 millimeter. 68,400 centimeter. 68,400 centimeter into meter. Now 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Is divided by 100. So answer is 684 meter.